My name is Milton Thomas, and I'm from Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm a maintenance worker at Martha O'Brien Center. I've been here born and raised all my life. I lost both of my parents at an early age to cancer, so I was forced to grow up real quick. I done got in some trouble in, I guess it was 97, 98. I didn't know that they would take your voting license for catching a felony, but I got a felony. I tell everybody, the last president I voted for was Bill Clinton. So that's how long it's been since I voted. I mean, just me as a person and me as a man, if you have something taken away from you, that's really not a good feeling. You had a right to speak. You had the freedom to speak. And I feel like even though it's one vote, it's your vote, my word should be able to count. And since I got in trouble, it's been your word means nothing. You know, no matter what I've done or what I'm doing or what I'm going to continue to do, they look at it as, okay, you have this, so you're nothing. I feel like a lot of people don't care about voting because they feel like it doesn't mean nothing, oh, it's just me, it's just one vote. But the fact is that your one vote, if you got another million people who feels like you, and then y'all get y'all voting rights back, that's a million votes going either way. So I feel like that if you have a chance to get something, get it, period.